Oh, then go to slides again. This time I want to show you how to project. From project. And so this is a subject of the project, or the title or subject topic can be selected by each team. The team member is important. There will be 3 types of presentations. And team member can be 3, but I see that we are altogether 10 members. So one team can be 4 members. And I hope you can submit a written report for each presentation time. And evaluation will be done by myself and TA and schedule manager. So 3 times. So project plan, presentation, midterm presentation, and final presentation and demonstration, if there is some kind of demonstration. And each presentation, you should change the presenter. So for the first, member 1 should present at the first presentation. Member 2 present the second presentation, midterm, and member 3 present the final presentation. Okay. That is my test. And then how to make up a team. One request is heterogeneity. So please make different people coming together. Countries or course levels or your laboratory. Okay. And 3 members is a typical size, but probably one team can have 4 members. And written report for each presentation, because for the grade measuring, we need to have some kind of material. But the PowerPoint file is okay as a written report. And if you make any video, then you need to link them to the website. And for the final presentation, if there is a demonstration, you need to have a scenario at the midterm presentation. And inside the report, I hope you see that any similar systems already available. So survey is important, and then schedule management and job allocation among team members, and any references coming from the survey. And finally, the patent search is becoming popular in these days for such a survey to see the state of art. And evaluation. As I told you in the first class, 30% goes to the project. Myself and TA will evaluate project team. And the most important thing is schedule management. And I see in previous semester that many team members are saying that we studied in March, we worked hard, but we could not finish up the goal. But that, I don't like this kind of thing. So please make 2 set of goals. One is minimum that must be finished up by the end of semester, but you may have additional goals. So separate out two groups of goals, because many teams have a big plan at the beginning, but at the final stage they finish up only portion of the original goals. I see them many times in this kind of situation. So please try to be more precise. And also your own contribution inside the class, because especially for graduate students or other class has a similar work. I don't know, your personal or your project. Anyway, it's good to bring them to our project. But you should be more clear how much of the contribution was done by this project or class. Separate out and which one is done by other project or outside class. Very similar to the say that if you are making a patent, the portion should be divided into by the contribution. Okay. And previous project, I already show you several slides at the beginning of the first class time. Also, you see more different ones, something like LNG fueling, support. It is already shown. LNG supply chain, cruise ship for China people, tourists, and plastic, microplastic pieces, oil spill protection, garbage patches, and wing ground effect ship was also done by another team in previously. That is very similar, looks like an airplane, but that is flying very near the water surface. And then also Korean style design, ship design, something like that. And suggestion for cruise ship specialized for Far East area, because there's a new rising industry sector inside near Far East, including Korea, Japan, and Russia, China. Mainly the China tourists. They try to use a cruise ship. But the style should be a little bit different from the Western style cruise ships. It is for the Far Eastern Asian people. The culture is a little bit different. The last item was Coast Guard fishing boat. Probably I told you in the other day. All right. Okay, so somebody raised chatting. From the same nation, no. Degree, lab, no. So heterogeneity means as far as possible, you must be different background, right? So 3 people from the France, I hope they can be located to different groups, teams. And probably 3 or 4 Korean students. They may be located in different teams, right? Something like that. We'll see. TA will help you to make a team members. Any other questions? Send you the schedule. And I allocated you as a one single round of schedule up to early April next month. So then you may have one more round of missions. Yeah. So you may have a two. Oh, this is half lecturing and half discussion. So you may have another 2 or 1.5, probably. Anyway, I will show you in the later stage more cycles of assignments. So this one is tentative one, okay, for the early part of the schedule. So we are in this day. Okay. So we did already how to turn project and okay. Questions?